MidJourney is powerful, but not everyone can afford a subscription. But what if I told you there is a secret AI tool that gives you MidJourney-level images completely for free? No Discord, no payments, no hidden subscription. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use MidJourney for free using a brand new AI tool that most people don't even know about yet. You don't need Discord, you don't need a paid plan, and the result is exactly like MidJourney. Alright, let's get into it. The tool we are using today is an AI that recently started generating extremely high quality MidJourney-style images, and the crazy part, it's 100% free to use. Now let me show you how to access it. So the secret tool is actually Meta AI. Meta currently added a new image generation model, and several reports says it's based or partnered with MidJourney's tech. That's why the results look so similar. Using it is super simple. This is how the interface looks like. And as you can see here, you can either sign up with your Facebook account or with your Instagram account. So Meta is the owner of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other platforms. So let's go ahead and sign up with our Facebook accounts. So this is the platform. So already signed in. You're going to go over to here that says create. As you can see here, I've generated just few images with it. So let's try in a basic prompt. So let's try in this product prompt here. I'm going to paste in my prompts. You can change you can either use a video or image. You can change the aspect ratios, and you can also upload a reference image, add media and aesthetics. So you can change your stylization, your variety, wetness, and this is similar to MidJourney. So let's drag our stylization to 0, and you can also enter your style reference seed, which MidJourney also has, and you can also dictate or you can type in your prompt. So I'm just going to click on send, and you also get 4 outputs. So this is similar with MidJourney. So I'm going to generate a few prompts and images, and I'm also going to be doing a comparison of some MidJourney images, and also using the Meta AI to create it. So you can see our prompt here: premium product photography of an energy drink can with water droplets, soft studio lights, clean background, sharpness, and so on. So let's see this. So you can also change your style. You can restyle it. You can give it a 3D, anime, people, illustrated, and so much more you can use. And you can also edit the images. So let's download this. So this is the image here. So alright, so let's try a human prompt. So I'm going to paste in this prompt over here. This prompt says ultra close-up portrait of a human face, sharp eyes, and so on. So let's generate it. So you can see the results we got. You can see how detailed this is. So you can see this. So on the image here, you can see the image. You can see how detailed this is. You can see this. You can also see this one right here. You can see this one over here, and also this. So you can see the skin textures and how good this is. So let's try comparing this with the MidJourney. So I'm going to do a split screen. So this is MidJourney over here, and this is Meta AI. So I'm just going to click on create here. So this is Meta AI. So this is MidJourney and this is Meta AI. So let's view the image of this MidJourney. So you can see the images that were generated. Position when to set is to to 0, and you can see it. So let's see the style that was this. This is a raw style. My reference rate and aspect ratio is 1:2. So let's click on generate. Let's send it and see the results we get. So alright, so let's animate this. You can see it's done generating. So let's animate this one. So I got the prompt from the MidJourney animation prompt. So note that you can only generate 30 images per day. So let's click on custom animation and let's paste in the prompt. Add a sequence of man closing the cycle, with diffusion, and let's click on animate. So it's done generating. Yes, let's see the result we got. So you can see it here. This is all that audio. You can see how seamless this is. This looks so realistic. It's similar with this one, so you can see it here. You can go ahead and download your video. Let's click on download. So that's it. So let's recreate this shot over here. So I'm going to open a new chat and let's click on generate. And let's set our aspect ratio to 1:1. Let's copy the image prompt here and paste the image prompt. So this is the image prompt over here. So let's set the stylization to 0 and let's generate and see the results we get. So you can see it is done generating, and you can see this right here is similar to this one over here, and you can see some other images. So let's animate it. Let's go to the animation. So let's copy the animation prompt. So let's animate this over here. Let's click on animate. So you can see the animation. You can see how seamless this is. So when you look at this MidJourney version, you notice some lapses here. You notice that we actually have 6 fingers for the MidJourney version, and so you can see this right here. You can see how seamless this is. So let's go ahead and download our video. And let's try out the last one, which is poster. So let's recreate this poster right here. So let's copy the prompt and paste in the prompt. So here, scroll affiliated poster, hip hop concert, and so on. So let's set the stylization to 0. So let's click on send. And let's see the results we get. So you can see the results we got. Although this one has a reference image, so that's why it generated a blue image, so a green image rather. So you can see. So let's use this for the animation. This that has the headsets. Let's try out this for the animation. So let's click on the image right here. So let's click on custom animate and let's paste in our prompt and click on animate. Let us see the result we're going to get. So you can see it is done generating, and you can see that this is even cooler than this right here. So you can see it has similar motion. You can see the motion here. there's back and front motion, it's a similar motion, and also the ape moving. So that is it for today's video. You can do a lot of amazing stuff with this Meta AI. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing updates like this. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.